I have 5 things to suggest that Ultrahuman could improve because I've been using Ultrahuman Ring Air every day for 3 months straight. But don't think I'll only speak negatively about this product. I'll also share what I liked and what I didn't. First of all, believe me guys, this review will be 158% honest despite the fact that I received this product from the Ultrahuman team for review. And yes, that's why I've got a 10% discount code for you in the description. Fasten your seatbelts, let's go. If you are looking for a fitness ring, you've probably seen hundreds or even thousands of reviews of Ultrahuman Ring Air already. But my review will be different, you'll see. Let's dive in and start from the beginning. This is my first smart ring and I was impressed by the sizing process. It's quite simple. You order a free sizing kit, try on various dummy rings on different fingers, wear them for extended periods, even sleep with them and if you want, and then order the size that fits best. I appreciate this process because it reduces the risk of choosing the wrong size. However, there's room for improvement for Ultrahuman. The dummy rings aren't exactly the same size as the actual ring. For instance, I chose size 10, but the real ring turned out to be 1 millimeter thicker. This discrepancy shouldn't exist. The dummy rings should closely match the real ones in size and thickness. Also, it would be great if the kit included small samples of the colors available for selection, but probably no one will do it and it will remain in my wish list. Okay, the second aspect I'd like to discuss is the box and packaging. While it looks really nice and presentable, there was a significant issue when I opened it: the smell. It was horrible. It was something like a mix of chemical glues. Additionally, the manuals appeared as if they had been cut with scissors, which may be intentional, though I doubt it should be that way. Despite the box's impressive appearance, it certainly has room for improvement. On a positive note, I appreciated the inclusion of a very long 1 meter high quality cable. Usually the cables included are very short and of poor quality, but that's not the case here. As for the charging dock, it's acceptable, but Ultrahuman could make it better. They could take inspiration from Rincon, who offer a portable charging case, an excellent choice for traveling. I think that's the best what they can do. The third point I want to discuss concerns scratches. The ring gets scratched very easily. Just look at mine after 90 days. It has accumulated a lot of scratches and even lost some color in places. I wasn't particularly careful with it. I wore it even at the gym. However, Ultrahuman seems to anticipate this. They include a card in the box stating, "Each scratch is a story and it's like badges of honor." So, dear buyer, if you are considering this ring, keep in mind that it might pick up battle scars as you use it daily. I suggest perhaps avoiding the golden color, which is quite shiny. Initially I expected it to be less conspicuous, and now I feel a bit flashy. Scratches might be less noticeable on a silver colored ring. I think so. Choose wisely. Despite these issues, the overall quality of the ring is excellent. It's a tough and durable product. Fourth point that I want to talk about is workout mode. I understand that it is in beta, but still, if it is there, I will talk about it. First of all, if you want to start a workout, you need to find this tiny small little button right here. It's made in a really inconvenient way. Ultrahuman, I know that you can make it much better. Second, it is hard to find any historical workouts. You have to scroll each day and find the exact workout that you made on that day. There is no list of workouts or something like that. Third, bugs in working out mode. I start workout and I couldn't finish it because ring loses connection with phone, and it happened a couple of times. And fourth, one of the most important, heart rate tracking during exercises is bad. It shows I don't know what, but not my real heart rate, that's for sure. Because I have what to compare to. I have Garmin Epix Pro and there I have completely different readings. So lots of things to be improved in workout mode. What can I say, Ultrahuman? Just do it. For my final point, I want to summarize everything, what I've learned, what I liked and what I believe could be improved about the Ring Air. Ultrahuman claims their smart ring is comfortable and sleek, designed to track your sleep, movement and recovery trends while encouraging healthier choices every day, and they're right. It is exceptionally comfortable, especially compared to wearing devices like the Apple Watch or Garmin to bed. The sleep tracking is outstanding. Not only is the ring unnoticeable, but it is also provides very detailed data, complete with useful tips and advice to improve sleep quality. It even includes metrics such as time spent in bed. This feature Garmin lacks. Before writing this review, I researched competitors to the Ultrahuman Ring and found several, with the Oura Ring being the most notable. However, I didn't like the Oura Ring's business model. It charges a $6 monthly subscription fee, even after an initial purchase price of over $300. Thankfully, the Ultrahuman Ring doesn't have this. Once you pay through $149, you don't have to worry about additional fees. All the data, tips and advice are included, making it a smart, all-inclusive purchase. So, in my humble opinion, the areas for improvement. Ring sizing kit. The dummy rings in the sizing kit should match the exact size of the actual air ring, and it would be good to have small samples of the colors available for selection. Packaging, smell and instructions. I'm not sure if it is possible, but improving the smell inside the box along with fixing the poorly cut instructions would be beneficial, because these issues create a negative first impression when interacting with the product. Charging dock. Another wish of mine is regarding the charging dock. It's okay, but a design similar to Ringcon's portable charging case might be a significant improvement. Durability. The ring scratches easily, which detracts from its aesthetic and functional longevity. And the last but most important, workout mode. This feature needs substantial improvement. Currently, it does not add value and can be considered unnecessary. And 5 positive aspects. Comfort. The ring is extremely comfortable, making it easy to wear all day and night without discomfort. Sleep tracking. Offers excellent sleep data, enriched with useful advice and tips for improving sleep quality. No monthly subscription. Unlike competitors such as Oura Ring, there is no recurring fee. Once you purchase the ring, all features are included at no extra cost. Weekly insights provide comprehensive health trend comparisons over 3-week periods, giving user a detailed view of their progress. And the last one, Discover tab, features a special section called Discover, where users can access professionally created meditations, workouts, and Pilates challenges. This resource can be particularly valuable for those new to fitness. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked my honest review. See you in the next videos.